Time to fix the drone.
Yes, I know that 1 and 1 are 2. Ain't no problem that I can't see through. As long as it's just me and you, my crazy little bees.
Time to fix the drone, my friends. I have a Bugs drone that has the follow me option. I've had it for 3 years now, but last year my dear husband drove it into a tree. We tried to order a new body, but it never did come. So I'm just gonna try and fix it myself and get this thing going, because I think it'd be really cool to have drone footage while beekeeping. So I've glued it in pretty good. Just push, I put that tape on just to hold it, kind of like a clamp, until it dries. Because it was like separating there, so that's just really tightly pulling the piece on. And then I need to screw this on after, and this doesn't look broken. But I noticed the sensors, I guess for balance, are just under there too. I'm excited to get this sucker going. I love my drone. Hi everyone, Lizzie here. I'm done repairing my drone. I've sanded down the broken side with all the extra glue, because I know weight distribution really affects drones and flight. So I had to pop the camera back in, and we're gonna give it a try. Hopefully this will be a great aerial beekeeping footage for this summer. Enjoy. Let's see if it works. So this, actually my phone will go in here, and that's what the little Bugs drone looks like. The battery just fell out. Here's a little camera I had to pop back out, so hopefully everything works again, and the fact that that broke off didn't mess with the internal organs of it too much. Okay, so I can't figure this out. I turned it on, it was working, and then I let it go up, and the one little wing, whoops, got caught or smacked the actual frame, so I guess they weren't very straight, and it flipped over, and I haven't been able to get it to go again. So I'm just gonna go home, watch a couple videos, and hopefully I can get this sucker going for you. I think I found the issue. There was a body crack here, another one here, and here. So I've sealed them all in hopes that this puppy will fly, because I was wondering why it was flying off. Hello bee lovers, it's a few days later and I'm still working on this dang drone. So after my last video, which is going to be a part of this video, the drone was cracked. My husband drove it into a tree last summer, so I glued that together. It still wouldn't fly. So I found out the body was cracked in a few locations. The camera part was cracked, which you'll see me repairing it in this video. and the 2 arms were cracked. But worst of all, I found out my butt was cracked. Anyway, let me know if this is something you'd like to see more regularly in the comments below, whether you want to see more drone beekeeping footage. And in this video, I'll just show you what that, hopefully, if it works, I'll show you what that looks like. So I have my other phone on here and I'm going to record the footage. I don't know if this is going to piss off the bees or not, but we'll find out. So you spin it this way to calibrate it. All the lights are green, and then you spin it this way. And there we go. So let's see. Comments below if more drone beekeeping is what you want to see, because I got that sucker rolling. Oh, I'm so happy. I've been fiddling with this thing and had this video like half made for a week. I'm just crazy gluing it, so I'm glad it's all working. No internal organs were damaged. I noticed the bees were flying around the drone when it was in the air, and I hope I caught some of them on the camera. So they obviously don't like it. I know when the big helicopter landed in the field last summer, a lot of people watching got stung. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please let me know if this is something you would like to see on my channel. Of course, more bikinis, which is to come in my next video. Thanks for tuning in.